Good day everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to solve a problem using George Follia's 4-step in problem solving. So first, let me introduce George Follia. He was a Hungarian mathematician who became famous for teaching people how to solve problem. Clearly, in his book How to Solve It, he explained a simple 4 steps process. So andito daw yung understand the problem. Step 1, devise a plan, and step 3 is carry out the plan, and step 4 is look back. So ang understand the problem, read carefully and know what is being asked. Kung ano yung tinatanong, then sa devise a plan, choose a method or strategy. Dito yung mag-iisip tayo ng strategy, and mag-isip tayo kung ano yung formula na related sa ating problem. Then step 3 is carry out the plan. Do the calculation or execution kung paano natin sasagutan or paano natin isosolve yung problem. Then sa look back, check your answer and see if it makes sense. So titignan natin kung same lang ba ang answer natin sa ginamit natin formula or kung tama ba. Okay, proceed tayo sa problem. Example, let's apply these steps to a problem about cakes. Ito yung problem. A bakery sold 3 chocolate cakes and 3 vanilla cake in one day. In how many different orders could the cake have been sold? So, proceed tayo sa step 1. Sa step 1, sabi is understand the problem. So, we know the bakery sold 6 cakes in total. So, 3 chocolate and 3 vanilla. The question is, how many different orders or sequences of chocolates and vanilla are possible? This means we're arranging 3 chocolate and 3 vanilla in 6 position. No? So, sa step 2, dahil nga meron tayong problem, so maisip tayo na kung anong formula. So gagamit tayo ng combination formula. Ito yon, yung n over k. So ito yung combination formula, no, na gagamitin natin. N over k equals n factorial over k factorial parenthesis n minus k close parenthesis and factorial, no? Then dahil ito ginamit natin, so papakita natin sa carry out the plan kung paano natin ko-compute, no? So yung n natin is n is equal to 6 in total, then k is equal to 3. So yung n natin ay 6 factorial over k factorial, so yung k is 3, so lagyan natin factorial, then n minus k is 6 minus 3, then factorial. So kapag solve natin, no, 6 factorial is 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay, over 3 factorial, 3 times 2 times 1, then parenthesis, then 6 minus 3 is 3, no? 3 times 2 times 1, then okay na yan, factorial. So cancel na natin, no? Cancel natin ang 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. So matitira ang 6 times 4 times 5. Mali, 6 times 5 times 4, no? 6 times 5 times 4 over 3 times 2 times 1. Okay, so equals 6 times 5 is 6 times 5 30, then 30 times 4 30, then 30 times 4 is 120. 120. 3 times 2 over is 6. 3 times 2 6 times 1 is 6 times 6 times 1 is 6. So 120 over 6 is 120 over 6 is ayan, so 20. Ayan. So there are 20 different possible orders of 3 possible orders of 3 vanilla cakes, and proceed tayo sa step 4. So proceed tayo sa step 4. Dahil na muna natin yung sagot, kung tama ba or check natin kung tama ba ang ating ginawa. So hindi papakita natin sa screen kung yung order na tamang sequence. So here are the 20 sequences. Yung 1 to 20 is papakita natin sa screen. Ayan, dyan. So by following George Folia's 4-step, understand the problem, devise a plan, carry out the plan, and look back, we solve the cake problem. No? Hindi lang naman siya sa math problem lang na-apply. So pwede natin siya gamitin sa real life situations. Yun lang. Thank you.